everybody. Happy Wellness Wednesday. We made it to another Wellness Wednesday. Today is PM time because I'm going to show you guys how to make the infamous Sleepy Girl Mocktail, okay? So, here's the ingredients that you need. We have about half to 1 full tablespoon of unflavored, powdered magnesium glycinate powder, okay? We're gonna use 4 ounces of tart cherry juice. This one's from Trader Joe's. We're also gonna be using 3 ounces of a probiotic soda. And today I have the tangerine sparkling beverage from Trader Joe's. I thought the citrus paired with the tart cherry would go really well. So lock in, you don't want to miss it. So if you see me looking down here, these are my notes because I'm going to talk to you about how this cocktail works and why it works. And we're going to break down the 3 ingredients in this mocktail. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you how to make this recipe. So grab a mixer, your standard beverage mixer. We got some ice inside. I've got a tall glass here with ice. Also, it's about 8:30. You wanna drink this 30 minutes to an hour before your bedtime. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is you're going to put your magnesium glycinate into your mixer. Then you'll notice that some of this has settled to the bottom. So we're gonna wanna give it a really good shake. And you wanna make sure that you get the tart cherry juice because that's a specific type of cherry, specific type of cherry that has the medicinal properties that we need. I have a 1/2 cup measure here. We're gonna pour this right into our mixer. Then we're gonna give it a really good shake. So, boom. Let's see what we did. Ooh, looks good. Looks foamy. All right, that looks good. We're gonna let this rest a little bit, and we're gonna talk about magnesium glycinate. So magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. It supports muscle function, heart health, sleep quality, as well as other benefits such as reducing migraines, lowering blood pressure, enhancing mood, and easing restless leg syndrome. Magnesium glycinate, which is what we use today, can be particularly effective for sleep because it has high bioavailability, meaning it's well absorbed into your body. And it does not cause gastrointestinal side effects like some other forms of magnesium that you may see. Magnesium glycinate also has a synergistic effect with glycine, which can increase serotonin levels. And for those of you that don't know, serotonin is a hormone that influences your sleep cycle. So the dosage is 200 milligrams per day, 30 minutes to 1 hour before bedtime. So recap, magnesium improves sleep quality and reduces inflammation in the body. It boosts your exercise performance. It supports a healthy immune system. It regulates muscle and nerve function, and it helps maintain normal blood pressure and heart rhythm. Okay, so let's give this another shake. Okay, so the tart cherry juice contains, let's see, ooh, it's kind of changed the color a little bit. Look at that. That's interesting. That is interesting. All right. Curiouser and curiouser. All right. So this is a mixture of our cherry juice and our magnesium, which seems to have kind of changed the color of it a little bit. Want to taste it? Make sure it's not chalky, because if you add too much magnesium, it can be a little chalky. Okay? So we're gonna add our probiotic soda right on top. Ooh, there we go. There's our color. Beautiful. So tart cherry juice contains tryptophan and melatonin. Melatonin is a sleep hormone secreted at certain times during the day to help the body transition to sleep. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that helps the body to produce melatonin. There's evidence to show that drinking tart cherry juice increases the melatonin available in the body and can help to promote better sleep quality. Okay? Tart cherry juice, just to review, it helps with improved muscle recovery, helps with reducing pain, reducing blood pressure, improved memory and brain health, as well as cancer prevention. Okay, next we're gonna talk about the probiotics. All right, let's give this a try. Cheers. Oh yes, darling, oh yes. Trying to get our thumbnail here, let's see. All right. I feel like I need to stir it. I need to stir it, a little stir in there, honey. All right. Okay. So let's talk about the gut microbiome and sleep. This was actually, to me, some of the most fascinating research about this topic. Okay. Not only does our sleep affect our microbiome, but our microbiome also affects our sleep. Not getting sufficient sleep for even just 2 nights, as someone with insomnia might experience, can significantly affect our gut flora, with certain microbes reducing their numbers to almost 50%. Okay? So it doesn't change the gut microbiome, it just changes the amount of gut flora that we have, reducing their numbers. So the microbes living in our gut produce molecules which activate a protein called TLR2 in the intestines. This protein is vital to the transportation of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate many functions in the body, including sleep, mood, and appetite. Beneficial bacteria, gut bacteria, for instance, are known to help in the synthesis of neurotransmitters and hormones such as serotonin and melatonin, which we learned are important to our sleep and wake cycles. So what am I saying? Well, I'm saying that both probiotics and prebiotics play an important role in improving our gut health as well as our sleep. Okay? So, I'm going to give this another stir. It seems like some of that melatonin kind of settles. So make sure you give it a good shake. Give it a stir as needed. It's really good. I think the tangerine, like citrus, was the right move. When I was looking at other people that have created this cocktail, one of the things they mentioned was add a lime. So I was like, dang, we're just gonna use tangerine. Tastes really good. Add this to your bedtime routine, 30 minutes to an hour before your bedtime. Make yourself a Sleepy Girl Mocktail. Really simple, really inexpensive, and a great way to support your sleep as well as your gut microbiome. And to all my ladies out there, magnesium is one of the things that we are very deficient in. So I think that's why this cocktail is kind of promoted to women as a sleepy girl cocktail, is because women are naturally, a lot of us are deficient in magnesium. So this is for us. Cheers to health, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.